Are you tired of inaccurate readings from your old torque wrench? In this review, we highlight the best digital torque wrench options with smart alerts, LCDs, and high accuracy ratings. From automotive repairs to heavy-duty use, we cover everything you need to know before buying. Let's find the perfect torque wrench for your projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best digital torque wrench. Let's get started.
1. Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive. The Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive is a simple and reliable tool built for accuracy and ease of use. It covers a torque range from 0.66 to 44.29 feet-pounds, which makes it a great choice for bikes, small engines, and light repair jobs around the house. The plus-minus 1% accuracy gives you steady and precise results, even if you are new to using a torque wrench. Using this tool feels smooth from the start. The digital screen is bright and easy to read, even in low-light areas. The handle feels comfortable and secure during longer use. The Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench is priced between $60 and $90, making it a budget-friendly option. Verdict: an ideal digital torque wrench for beginners and DIY users who want accuracy, ease, and good value in one tool. 2. SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive. The SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive is built for users who need more range for car work and medium-duty repairs. It offers a torque range from 4.9 to 99.6 feet-pounds, making it suitable for wheel nuts, engine parts, and general maintenance. The plus-minus 2% accuracy keeps your work consistent and safe even during repeated use. That makes it easier to hit your target without second-guessing. The body feels sturdy with a slightly heavier build that adds control. The grip is shaped well so your hand stays steady during longer jobs. The display is clear and shows readings without delay. The SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench is priced between $70 and $110, which fits well for a mid-range tool. Verdict: a great digital torque wrench option for car owners and regular users who want more range and solid everyday performance.
3. SURCUP Half-Inch Digital Torque Wrench. The SURCUP Half-Inch A Digital Torque Wrench is built for heavy-duty work where strength and a wide range matter more than compact size. It handles from 3.8 up to 250.8 foot-pounds, which makes it a strong choice for car wheels, suspension parts, and larger bolts. The plus or minus 1% accuracy gives peace of mind, especially when working on critical components. This tool feels powerful right away. It has a solid body that adds stability when applying higher torque. Instead of feeling light and quick, it feels steady and controlled, which is what you want for bigger jobs. The alerts are hard to miss, with vibration, sound, and bright LED signals guiding you to the exact setting. The display shows clear readings and responds quickly when values change. It also supports multiple units, so you can switch depending on your task. The SURCUP torque wrench is priced between $90 and $140, which reflects its stronger build and wider range. Verdict: the best digital torque wrench for mechanics and users who handle heavy-duty tasks and need high torque with strong control. 4. Hairich Upgrade Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive. The Hairich Upgrade Digital Torque Wrench 3/8 Drive is made for users who want smooth control during regular repair work. It covers a torque range from 5 to 100 foot-pounds, which works well for motorcycles, bicycles, and many car tasks. The plus or minus 2% accuracy keeps your tightening consistent and helps avoid damage from over-tightening. This tool feels simple from the first use. The buttons are easy to press, and adjusting settings takes little time. When you reach the set torque, the wrench gives a clear buzzer sound along with an LED flash. These alerts help you stop at the right moment without needing to watch the screen all the time. The grip feels firm and comfortable even during longer use. Its compact size also helps when working in tight spots. The Hairich torque wrench is priced between $75 and $115, making it a solid mid-range option. Verdict: a good digital torque wrench for users who want easy handling, comfort, and steady performance for daily repairs.
5. Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench Set 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch. The Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench Set gives you 2 tools in one box, making it a flexible option for many tasks. It includes both 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch drives, with a torque range from 0.66 up to 250.8 foot-pounds. This wide range helps you handle small bolts as well as larger jobs like wheel nuts. The plus or minus 1% accuracy keeps your work precise and safe. This set feels practical during real use. You can switch between the 2 wrenches instead of changing tools again and again. The Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench Set is priced between $120 and $180, reflecting good value for 2 tools in one box. Verdict: a smart digital torque wrench choice for users who want both flexibility and convenience for different repair tasks. 6. Craftsman Digital Torque Wrench 1/2 inch. The Craftsman Digital Torque Wrench 1/2 inch is built for users who prefer a trusted name with solid performance. It offers a torque range from 50 to 250 foot-pounds, making it well-suited for wheel lug nuts, trucks, and heavy-duty automotive work. The accuracy is reliable, giving you steady tightening results for critical parts. This tool feels more focused on strength than extra features. The design is clean and the controls are simple to understand. The screen displays clear readings so you can check torque values quickly. When you reach your target, it gives a clear alert to help you stop at the right moment. The handle feels firm and slightly heavier, which adds control during high-torque jobs. It may not feel as compact as smaller models, but that weight helps with stability. The Craftsman Torque Wrench is priced between $140 and $200, reflecting its brand value and durability. Verdict: the best torque wrench for users who want a strong, dependable tool from a trusted brand for heavy-duty work.
7. AcDelco ARM 601-34 Digital Torque Wrench Combo Kit. The AcDelco ARM 601-34 Digital Torque Wrench Combo Kit is built for users who care about precise and trusted results. This set includes both 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drives, so it works well for small fixes and heavy automotive jobs. It follows ISO 6789 standards and comes with a calibration certificate, which gives extra confidence in its accuracy. In use, the tool feels steady and controlled. You get clear alerts through buzzer sounds and LED flashes when you reach the set torque. These signals help you avoid over-tightening and keep your work safe. The AcDelco ARM 601-34 is priced between $150 and $220, reflecting its quality and reliability. Verdict: a great torque wrench option for serious users who want certified accuracy and dependable performance for all types of repair work.
Which best digital torque wrench should you buy? Your choice depends on how you plan to use it. For simple home repairs, the Uharbour 3/8 drive feels easy and reliable. If you work on cars often, the SUZUME 3/8 drive gives you more range and better control. For heavier jobs, the SUERCUP 1/2 inch feels stronger and more stable. If you want one tool set for everything, the Uharbour set is the most practical option. For brand trust, Craftsman offers solid and dependable performance. And for high accuracy with professional confidence, AcDelco is the top choice.